What's hot? What's hot? Miss Sonia made my coffee hot, black and sweet like me. And I want to thank her, yeah. All right. So, what's hot topics? What are the hot topics this morning? Carib Cement coming out of the Gleaner published on Sunday. Caribbean Cement Company plans to spend US $9 million, that's 1.2 billion Jamaican dollars, on capital projects this year, one of which involves converting old tires from waste to energy in its kiln. The cement company has 35 projects planned for this financial year. The tire project was pitched by outgoing general manager Peter Donkersloot Ponce, not as a money-making venture, but one meant to make a positive contribution to the environment. We will be able to eliminate the tires in Kingston probably in 4 years, said Donkersloot Ponce at the company's annual general meeting on Thursday. The company has invested more than $500,000 so far to allow its facility to accommodate old tires. Well, there you go. Of its many projects this year, the latest was a $67 million investment in Palletisser robot. That is a machine that moves bagged cement onto pallets in rapid succession. The Palletisser was commissioned this month. Most of its investments are aimed at increasing its output in a widening market, which demands more cement. The company expects to produce 1.2 million tons of cement by December 2020, or about one-third higher than its current annual production of about 950,000 tons. But Caribbean Cement will also spend $60 million over 10 years to refurbish the Rockfort mineral bath to transform it into a world attraction. That is totally cool. That is totally cool. You know, even with my family here from overseas, big up Shaz as well, who's here. My brother's children's beautiful nanny. And she's from Australia, right? So she's like, she wants to see Jamaica. And that's so cool that we are going to be able to have local attractions refurbished. Now, I'm going to go to the next hot topic, but right about now, I would like a camera to be turned on Mr. Harrow. Mr. Harrow is my camera right here. And I don't know what he's saying behind the camera to Clive, the floor manager, but I want it. Mr. Harrow, where are you? What are you saying? Mr. Harrow? That's what's hot. Whatever he's saying behind that camera is hot topics. And I would like to know. Come here, Clive. Come here. Clive, come here. When I speak, you come. I want to know. Come and tell me what is Mr. Harrow saying over there?
Mr. Harrow says he knows that your family is from overseas, so thanks for bigging them up.
Big up Mr. Harrow, daughter. My little sweet lady. My little mentee. Mr. Harrow, I love you. Jamaican man guilty of revenge porn targeting former American TV anchor is what is on the hot topics. There she is. Donovan Powell, 53, pleaded guilty to 3 counts of malicious communication. The charge falls under Jamaica's 4-year-old Cybercrimes Act, which was enacted to address computer-related crimes. His conviction comes more than 2 years after Jareth Chisholm, a former NBC News anchor based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, complained to Jamaican authorities that Powell created a website where he posted nude pictures of her along with derogatory comments. Chisholm, in videos posted on YouTube, said the pictures were taken while she slept during the time she lived in Jamaica with Powell. She also said she was being forced to return to the relationship. In one video, Chisholm charged that Powell threatened to kill her either by shooting her or stabbing her in the heart before warning in several emails that he would post the explicit pictures to destroy her career. She recounted the moment her ex-husband alerted her to the pictures. I couldn't think, I couldn't breathe. I was so humiliated, so ashamed, so embarrassed. I felt like my world was coming to an end, Chisholm said. I did watch a video, Jamaica. Very disturbing. There is a TED Talk video, and it's interesting, this whole new world. And I did say to my friend yesterday, my sister, I said, so many young girls are going through this. And we really need to have some kind of international law to handle this, because my theory is that the world is changing and the internet is now a new country. And we need to have a law that regulates it across the borders, because it's a new world. That is where everybody lives. It's a new language. The emoji, short text, shorthand, whatever you call it. It's a new world, and we need to have a law that governs that and acts that crosses all boundaries, because a lot of people are being abused digitally. So we need to look into that. But I'm so glad that he was charged. Parish Judge Jacqueline Wilcott has extended the bail, however, for Powell pending sentencing on November 1. So we'll see what the outcome is then. My people, that's what's in the hot topics for today. What else is hot? What else is hot? Send us a message on our social media platforms. Jump onto the Gleaner on the front page and see what's going on in this crazy world of ours. Oh, that's it. That's what's going on? Okay. Tainted alcohol kills at least 19 in Costa Rica. Terrible, terrible, terrible. My people, let me tell you something. Careful what you drink. Make sure it's coming from a known source, an established source. Or make your own a drink. The victims who've been affected range from 32 to 72 years of age. Whew, the ministry in Costa Rica, the Costa Rican Health Ministry, says it has confirmed that 19 deaths have occurred from consumption of alcohol tainted with methanol, my people. Lord have mercy. Can you imagine? Oh my God. You have to be careful what you're buying. You have to be careful what you're drinking. The world is crazy. The world is crazy, but guess what? We're not. We are here to put a smile on your face, to give you the important information that you need, and to interview interesting people from our very beautiful island of Jamaica. A special good morning to all of you visiting from overseas. We're live in Kingston. This is Smile Jamaica. We'll soon come put a smile on your face.